Oh, yes, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Check out this health booster. You will certainly need it shortly. Hello, fans. Welcome to Susie Farms. Here we focus on agriculture, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and agribusiness, where we bring research to practice. Our products are purely organic, from the farm to the table, so we can eat healthy food. If you are new here, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell. Permit us to serve you with some cola nut and palm wine so you can relax while watching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hello, guys. Today I'll be doing the third harvest. It's exactly 5 days after I did the second harvest. So today I will be doing this harvest, the third harvest. Actually, today is the 1st of September 2022. The sun is really hot. See, even my vegetables, too much sun. And that's why you see some of the amaranths are flowering already, because the sun is just too much. No rain, actually. The temperature goes up to 37, 40. And it seems as if my fig tree is still putting on more buds to form fruit. I don't want, there's too much fruit there. So I think I have to tip it as fast as possible. Look at the green, the huckleberry. You see, they are really withering because the sun is too much sun. It's really hot here. This my mint. The mint too is, the sun is too much, just too much. Just too much. So this the way the garden is before harvesting. I just want you people to see how the garden is for now. And we always do selective harvesting. Oh, I love this. Look at the huckleberry. Even though I harvested last time, but they are really, dark green. Look at the huckleberry. Wow. I really love the color. I love the way they are. So, you see, the farm is packed full again. As I told you, with vegetables, I don't always bother myself to say, let me plant in lines, let me open them, let me separate. It's vegetables, We just thin them and eat. We thin them and eat. So today I'll be harvesting again. And within 4 or 5 days, I will still come here and harvest. Now, after the third harvest, most of them will be putting bilateral buds. I just want to believe when I harvest this amaranth, you see, the seeds are coming out, the flowers are coming out. But the flowers, even with the amaranth grains, are very nutritious, so there is no problem. But after getting this one, you will start seeing the lateral buds will be coming out. So let's just go and try to visit some of the stems of the amaranth and the huckleberry that I harvested last time and see if new buds are actually coming out. So I think there was one year, so I will start with this one. Oh yes, you see the one we harvested. It's just exactly 4 days after the harvest. You see the buds coming out. So this one will grow into new shoots. You see. Look at this one here. You see the new buds coming out. So they are growing into new plants already. So that's why I keep saying there's no need harvesting just one time or just uprooting the vegetable from the ground, because when you cut it like this, it will still grow. See, oh, this one, very big giant. You see, new shoots are coming out. They will still grow and will still harvest. See here, new shoots are coming out. New vegetable shoots are really coming out. From the stock, from the note that we left last time. See, new shoots coming out everywhere. Please, this is the best way to harvest vegetable. Let's do this. When we harvest like this, we'll get more food. More food. There's no need of rooting vegetables and throwing them away, because no, once you cut it, you leave about 3 or 4 notes underneath, and you cut, you eat, the note will still develop. At the note, you will still have more shoot. So let's visit these ones. You see, just 4 days after harvesting, you see new shoots are coming out at the notes that were left. So why do I actually leave just 2 or 3 notes? Because I don't want so many heads to come out, so many shoots to come out. Because if you leave more notes before you cut the vegetable, then you have too much new shoots coming out. So we'll check these ones too. You see, I left 2, you have them here. See the way it's coming out. So those are new shoots, and this new shoot, in about 10 days they are ready. So that is it. New shoots coming out everywhere. Everywhere new shoots from where we harvested last time. Let's check this. You see, they are developing. You see them developing, so they will still grow. So this is the best way. I think this is the best way to harvest vegetables. Omas, grandmoms, they know it, ever before we started going to school. So these are the type of traditional knowledge that I really want people to uphold, because it really gives so much food in a small piece of land. Selective harvesting, you harvest continuously. So now I will end it here and make sure I do the 3rd harvest today. So after the 3rd harvest, I will also video the garden, so you see how the garden is, So this is the video before the 3rd harvest, and after the 3rd harvest, I will also video. Then in 4 days, we'll be here again to harvest. So I always harvest. Normally in one season, I use this my garden to plant 3 sets of food. The first one, I plant Irish potatoes all over, and I also make sure that I harvest my strawberries. In this very piece of land, there are lots of strawberries. If you see here, once I harvest the strawberry and I pull out the potatoes, then I will use this very piece of land to plant vegetables like this. And when the vegetables are finished, I will use this piece of land to plant, how do they call this? Let me show you what I will be planting next. This is it. It's another type of vegetable, but it grows during the winter. So the winter vegetables, I plant them here. So as I was saying, in this bed, you see a lot of strawberry. See, they are everywhere. Strawberries everywhere. So that's the first thing I harvest here. Very big ones. Very big ones. See, there are a lot of strawberry here. So always we eat the strawberry. After eating the strawberry, we convert the strawberry farm, plant vegetables. You see, there's strawberry everywhere. So in this my backyard, I have strawberry, I have raspberry, I have fig trees, and I have red berries. So it's a whole lot of fruit and vegetable. And since the fruits come at different time, I know that, okay, this time I will harvest raspberry, I will harvest strawberry. After strawberry and raspberry, then I'll plant vegetables, because they like full sunlight, right? Then when I harvest all the vegetables, then I plant the winter vegetables also, so that during the winter I can still have some vegetables here. So this year I'm planting 24 on 24, and even in December you will be here to see my winter vegetables that I've planted on this piece of land. So that's the only way I do to improve the production of this small garden. so that the garden can be green at all time and producing food, different type of food at all time. I also have my mint, and I usually plant spices. Just that this time around, so I just gave the spices to somebody who needed them urgently because she gave birth. So I just gave her my potted spices so that she can eat original and nurse the baby. Hello guys, today we are actually harvesting the vegetable for the third time. So you can see the vegetable is really full here. So today is the 1st of September, and I will be harvesting the vegetable for the third time. So we'll just start harvesting here. Last time I explained to you people about selective harvesting, where you harvest only the ones that are big, the ones that are small you leave them. So after harvesting for the third time, you will discover that the fourth time we'll be harvesting more from the lateral root, the one that are branched off. So I can just start here and start harvesting. I hope you enjoy as I do this harvest today. So normally you skip 1-2 roots. So guys, after the third harvest, today the 1st of September 2022, this is how the vegetable farm looks like. You know, we do continuous thinning and eating, continuous thinning and eating, continuous thinning and eating. So in about 3 to 4 days, I will still come back here and harvest from here. And you see, this is a basket of vegetable, full basket. May even be much for me, but I just have to eat. So that's how it is. You just thin the one you can thin, eat, leave the rest. Come after 3 to 4 days, and you will still harvest. So my backyard is always full with vegetable, you know, at all time. During the winter, I will plant winter vegetables, and in the spring, I plant potatoes. So I plant on this land 3 times, 3 circles in a year.